In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to ChatGPT. This tutorial will provide you with a straightforward guide to accessing ChatGPT using your Google account. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This is the simplest way to get to the ChatGPT website if you haven't bookmarked it yet. Once you're on Google's homepage, locate the search bar, usually situated at the top of the page. Here, go ahead and type the word ChatGPT. As you hit enter, Google will generate a list of results. You're aiming to find the official ChatGPT website link among these results. It's typically one of the top listed options, so click on it to navigate to their site. Now that you've reached the ChatGPT homepage, you should see several options for logging in. ChatGPT is designed to work with different login methods, giving you some flexibility based on your specific preferences and existing accounts. For this tutorial, we're going to log in using a Google account, which is a fast and commonly used method, so you'll want to look for the option that allows you to sign in with Google. This is usually prominently displayed as a login button or a link. Clicking this option will bring up a prompt asking you to choose the Google account you wish to use for logging in. If you have multiple Google accounts, they will all be listed here. Select the account you want to use by simply clicking on it. If this is your first time using this account for ChatGPT, you might encounter a request for certain permissions, like accessing your email address. This is standard practice, so go ahead and grant the permissions by following the on-screen instructions. Once you've selected your preferred account and granted any necessary permissions, the site will automatically redirect you back to ChatGPT. At this point, you should see your profile picture appear in the lower left corner of the screen. This is a quick indication that you've logged in successfully and can start using ChatGPT immediately. If you encounter any issues during this process, such as login errors or trouble finding the correct login method, double-check to ensure that your Google account credentials are correct and that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, refreshing the page or trying a different browser can resolve unexpected issues. And there you have it. You're now logged in and ready to explore all the features ChatGPT has to offer. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now comfortable accessing ChatGPT. Thanks for watching and enjoy your experience with ChatGPT.